first of all, it's literally the packaging for me right now. The packaging is amazing. Look at how the packaging is, like very neat. Have that little brand over here. You feel me? Good stuff. Ooh, so we're gonna be working with a deep wave teapot wig today. So packaging was good. You know, it's always nice when the hair company puts some wigs cap in the hair, because you know that always help. And this is the teapot wig that we're gonna be working with today. So let me take it out. It's 20 inch. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. This is the inside of the wig. This is why you look like inside. This is a deep wave human hair lace front teapot wig. This was 13x4 teapot wig. So basically you got a little bit of lace going all in front of the hair, but it's just a tiny lace like right there, so that it can look natural, and then right there it's all tracked. So the teapot, the lace is literally right here. This is what you get for lace, and the rest of it is a little tiny ways to lay your edges down, and that's about it. And this unit is by Aliglossy. This is a 20 inches. The wig, this wig right here is a 20 inch. It's a curtain unit, but it do look like a 18 inch. Yeah, it do look like an 18 inch. It really is not giving like 20 inch vibe right now, because a 20 inch, I'm 5'2", so a 20 inch should be a little bit above my shoulder right here. You feel me? So I ordered 20, and this is the 20, but the 20 is not, the hair is not true to line. I'm gonna keep it real. You feel me? So like I said earlier, it's a deep wave human hair presenting hair. The price for this unit is $117. 3-day shipping, amazing customer service, like they definitely talk to you. Okay, so basically let's just get into some cons, right? So the hair do shed. Like I did pre-pluck it a little, and I put water in it. I was like doing mousse. I put some mousse, like run my finger through it, and yeah, the unit do shed. It shed a lot, and that's not cute. That is not cute. So it do shed, and it's a human hair, but I can feel a little bit of tangling going on with the hair. Like, you feel me? I don't know, it's not too soft. Like, it's too like a little rough for me. Like, you feel me? Human hair, you should be able to run your hair through, especially if you haven't put like no products in it, just right out of the bath, you should be able to run your fingers and stuff through it. But I guess because this is a curly hair, so you like, you know, you get a little tangling, but still it's a human hair. You should be able to do a lot with it. But apart from that, that's the only problem. It doesn't, like, it's not too soft, and it tangle a little. It's not too much to it, just like a little, you know, here and there. Like, but overall it's a good unit. If you try not to comb it, you'll be fine. This is a 150 density. It's a 150 density. I ain't complaining about the density. Like, it definitely is thick. This head is thick, baby girl. It's thick. I ain't complaining. You see no like pie, you don't see like no track showing. It's literally covered up from back and front, so I do love the hair overall. So yeah guys, this is it for this unit. Link of this unit is in the description box. Check it out. I will see you in my next video.